And good morning, everyone. Welcome back to NeelyFX. My name is Michael Neely, and this is the channel where I talk about foreign exchange trading, and making money doing prop firm trading and making money doing all those things. And I'm here with Henry, the Forex trading parakeet, as well. He's helping me out today, and I've got a little bonus material coming up later. So stay tuned. We've got probably another video comparing a couple of types of different prop trading accounts coming up soon. So let's go ahead and get into what we're going to be talking about, which is, well, risk disclaimer first. We've got to talk about this and that I'm not responsible for your losses. So that's pretty much what this says. This channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute trading or financial advice. I'm a professional trader, not a broker, trading my own capital. I also trade for Audacity Capital. It's a small prop trading firm. Well, it's a prop trading firm. A small account with Audacity Capital right now, to be a bigger account later. I do not solicit funds, manage client accounts, nor do I hold CFTC or NFA registration at this time. Forex trading is highly speculative with a high risk of losing some or all of your investment capital. I do only trade the funds you can comfortably afford to lose. Okay, and here's the CFTC risk disclosure. Forex trading carries a high degree of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. The high degree of leverage can work against you as well as for you. Before trading Forex, carefully consider your objectives, experience, and risk appetite. You could sustain a loss of some or all of your investment capital, which is what we're trying to avoid here. Let's see. Let's go to the screen here, and let's take a look at where I am on this challenge first. This is my prop trading challenge, a $30,000 prop trading challenge, and so far I've made $1,751 with it, and I am in the game. That is still a demo account, though. I've got some more things to show you a little bit later on a different video I think we're going to do, because first I want to get into the charts and do some things on the charts that need to be done. So first was the DXY. Let's go ahead and come in here and do some things. Still not going anywhere because all the markets are closed, because right here we have the market for today, and it is closed all around the world. Even China's closed. They're having a bank holiday too. So we're going to come in here and do a horizontal array right here, and we're going to mark the close. It's a blue candle, so it's bullish, and we're going to call this the 2026 year close. Next. 2025 close, and this will come in handy later when we do our technical analysis, and that worked out quite well. So after that, we're going to come down to the euro versus the dollar and do this over here too. It's on the downside, so we're going to take our little horizontal array and come over here and do this, and then call that our 2025 close. And dollar versus the yen. 25 here, close right here. We're going to call this. I probably could have done this without doing this as a video. However, it is kind of fun to learn how to do this. If you don't know how to do this, it's highly recommended that you do this so you can figure out what's going on with the close either. This one is eerily close to the September close, and so you can in essence say that it went nowhere in the month of or the last 3 months. However, that's what part of this is all about, is catching the bounces and coming down here and buying here and selling here, and then when the buy sell points are. So that's what all this is all about. This one's been off to the races for a while. Just the pound versus the yen. Again, something else we wanted to keep an eye on. Another account we want to keep an eye on. So we're going to come in here and 2025 close. This will also help me stay ahead or keep in tune with my friends at Forex.com, who are James Stanley and Michael Boutros. They don't know who I am, but that's okay. James does. James and I interact a lot on X, X.com. Now Henry's down here instead of in my ear, so that's a little bit better. It's his shrill chirping can go for miles, it seems. That right there on top of that candle. There we go. Instead of just floating around out there. Which is just a preference. You can do it any way you want. But this is what we're looking at for. This will set up help us set up trades for next year too, going into 2025. CAD versus the yen. On the downsides, it's on the lower end of this candle right there, and then I also have the little magnet thing going on in there too. Oops. Come down a little bit more. There we go. See, there's Henry. Say hi, Henry. Sure. See, there's Henry. Okay. I'll put him somewhere else now instead of my finger. Oh, that's good enough. Oh, the microphone works. Oh, Henry, you didn't just do that. I can't believe you just did that, Henry. Better yet, let's get exact on that candle. Let's close with 114.18. Let's see what the coordinates are on this are. Coordinates 114. 1.8. Okay, cool. We did it. Oil. Let's take a look at oil too. Henry's excited about the new year too, as you can tell. So text 5. Close right there. And Aussie versus the dollar. I'm super excited about this year, as I should be because it's a new year. And we in the West tend to look at life differently on the first day. There's a lot of optimism and happiness and gratitude for the things that we have accomplished this year, the things we're going to accomplish this year. Right, Henry? Okay. There. $20.25 close again. Again, this is not very exciting because the markets are closed today, so there's not really a whole lot to talk about. However, there is this to talk about, which is that's a huge opportunity right there, platinum. If you're a futures trader, take a look at that and expect to bounce off of platinum. That is a huge price rejection to me, lower than 2044. A massive price rejection. So you could, I think all the sellers pretty much getting out of that trade, and we're going to have some bulls coming back in. That long wick is just a massive price rejection at 1919. I think platinum's going to hold 2,000. Silver, got the same thing going on with silver though. That's not really a price rejection yet. But it's have a lot of things going on here. Oh, I already did that one for silver. Never mind. Cancel. Silver's my favorite. Excuse me. Something else we have new for 2025 is this. Come back to my Audacity Capital platform. I'm not a paid representative for Audacity Capital. I'm not an affiliate or representing them yet because I'm about to apply to. But here is the we've got 3 accounts going on at Audacity Capital. One, we have the Audacity Traders Cup Challenge right here, and let me see. I have to pull those up on a separate screen because this is don't want to show any passwords. That would be bad. We call bad. Come in here and I'm just with Audacity right now. However, there could be more coming up soon. Where's the other one? Oh well. So with one, I'm already in on this screen, so I'm going to have to go to my incognito window here. And cool. We'll do that. We'll do that a little bit later. Because what we have going on right here are several things. We've got one, I have stage 1. That's a newly funded. That's a new account I got yesterday. That is a funded $7,500 account. We're going to see if we can't trade that up and make that much more substantial. We also have the Traders Cup Challenge, which is also a live account at $120,000. And then we have the challenge I'm currently involved in, which is up $1,750 at with a $30,000 account. So with that, I also have 2 accounts at Forex.com. 2 are live and are not substantially funded yet. They're not what I would call funded accounts yet, but they are soon to be funded. And a demo account for $50,000, which is currently down $7,000 because I didn't take it seriously, which is a mistake in Forex trading. You've got to take this seriously or else you're never going to do anything with it. But that's what we've got going on with the trading and review so far this video. Not a lot to talk about with everything closed, but we did mark our 2025 closes. Somebody's got some action going on, as you can hear by the siren outside. Somebody's getting into trouble or needs help or something. Who knows what's going on? But that's all we've got for today. We're setting up for a lot of fun for 2026 and a lot of prosperity for 2026, because that's what New Year's Day is all about. So with that, I'm going to let you go, and we will talk later. Have a great one.